Alright, welcome back, viewers. Alright. Oh, look at this, babe.
That looks like an ancient rock.
Nice and carved. Or if not, let me see. I'm going to go right around it. Take a look. All views.
Does it say anything?
That's what I'm trying to see.
Sort of look like a chair, doesn't it?
Let me see if I can get a nice view from this.
Probably a couple of years took the shape of a chair.
Right. Very weird and interesting at the same time, where it became to be. Alright. Let's get going. See what we have over here.
These are maybe like the boulder rocks over here.
Where?
You want to show the subscribers?
Oh, we
They're
got
like
a better.
bigger rocks. They look like the boulder rocks.
Oh yeah, I see. Oh man, this reminds me of Puerto Rico. See if we could get a good view of that pond from over there. That looks kind of empty. That's where the drought that we was around. Alright.
The crickets are coming out.
It's a beautiful morning. No, I'm just kidding. Afternoon, that is. Let's see what's going on in this cell. Well, fellas, we got a hill to go check out. If we'll find something else interesting, we'll let you know. Just hit us up, like, share, and subscribe if you like what you're seeing down there with that rock. And we'll let you know if something pops up on the next one. Bye-bye. Ta-da.